In this video from shopstuff.co.uk we're taking a look at the NCS 2300 banknote counter. The 2300 is the flagship model of the NCS 2000 range and comes with a host of smart features helping you count your banknotes quickly and reliably. Standard operation is a free count mode which can be set to auto or manual. You simply place the notes in the top hopper, and in the auto mode the machine will simply count the notes. The slight variation is manual, which is useful if you've got a large quantity of a particular denomination, as it gives you the time to stack the notes correctly before pressing go. In addition to free count modes, we also have add, which is essentially the same, but it'll just keep adding up the counts. Again, this is particularly useful if you have a large quantity of a single banknote denomination. In addition to add, we also have batch. This is particularly useful if you're looking to dispense certain quantities or values of one note. So we set this one to 10, so we'll dispense £10 polymer every time. The machine also comes with a host of features enabling it to look for the presence of suspicious banknotes. So I have a fake £20 note here. If I place it in within a bundle of £20 notes and turn on the security features, the machine should look for the presence or lack of presence of the security features. So we get an error message come up to do with the UV, and it's picked up the fake note. You simply remove the notes, cancel the count and start again. As you can see, I've been using polymer banknotes, both Scottish and Bank of England versions, the outgoing paper cotton £20 notes, and the machine will also count the £50 UK note as well as Euro and US dollars. The machine's available exclusively from shopstuff.co.uk and is supplied as standard with the remote display counter and a service kit. For more information on this particular machine, please visit shopstuff.co.uk, and for other note counters in our range you can check out the video links appearing on screen now. Thanks for watching.